How to fix a card was declined in PayPal. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. There are some of the common reasons why your PayPal card might be declined, and this is how you can fix them. Firstly, the reason is the insufficient fund. Check for your balance. Ensure there is enough money on your card to cover the transaction. If you're unsure about your balance, you can always reach out to your bank for assistance. Now, while you have linked a card, you will see an interface like this where you have to enter all of the credentials of your card, in which make sure to verify your debit or credit card number, your expiration date, and your security code. Also ensure your card type that you have selected is correct. If necessary, you can always update your card information in your PayPal account. Now, depending upon the expiration date, if your card has been expired, you can always update a new card. However, if the card is expired, that might be the reason why it was declined. Regarding the card restriction, you can again contact your bank and request authorization. Or it might be a temporary system issues as well. In that case, you can contact the PayPal help and support. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.